Our topic for today is cargo-specific information.
Oh shit. Here we go
So,
again.
break bulk items. Break bulk is meant to encompass cargo that is transported in bags, boxes, crates, drums, or barrels, or items of extreme length or size. To be considered break bulk, these goods must be loaded individually, not in intermodal containers nor in bulk as liquid or grains. LOLO or lift on lift off. It describes cargo ship with onboard cranes to load and unload cargo. However, these ships can be termed as geared vessels because they have the cranes on the top. RORO or roll-on roll-off ships. These are cargo ships designed to carry wheeled cargo such as cars, trucks, semi-trailer trucks, trailers, and railroad cars that are driven on and off the ship on their own wheels or using platform vehicle such as self-propelled modular transporter. Unitized cargo. Group cargo carried abroad. A ship in pallets, containers, wheeled vehicles, and barges or lighters. Unitized cargo is the main method by which imports and exports are brought in and out. Within the unitized cargo sector, cargo is transported either through low-low channels, through ports, or alternative for time-sensitive consignments. Cargo is moved through the RORO channels. Iron steel products. Steel coils should be stowed across the ship on stat dunnage. With their axes fore and aft, use wedges to safely locate coils during loading. Base coil should be loaded from the ship sides inwards to the center of the wedge, with the wedge placed below their inboard side.
Wala akong alam dyan.
Heavy lifts items and project cargo. Heavy lift cargo is classified as indivisible items weighing over a ton up to over 1,000 tons and have widths and or height that exceeds 100 meters. Especially vehicles, vessels, and equipment is needed to safely and effectively transport this via land, air, or sea.
Meanwhile,
Roll-on, roll-off cargo items. Roll-on, roll-off ships are cargo ships designed to carry wheeled cargo such as cars, trucks, semi-trailer trucks, trailers, and railroad cars that are driven on and off the ship on their own wheels or using a platform vehicle such as self-propelled modular transporter. This is a contrast to lift-on, lift-off vessels which use a crane to load and unload cargo. Livestock cargo. Seagoing vessel modified or purpose-built for the transportation of live animals. Subject to appropriate regulation, live animals may be transported as part of the cargo on various classes of ship. That particular method of transportation is more common on short sea crossing and usually involves relatively small numbers of animals. Livestock carriers are those ships which specialize exclusively in the transportation of large numbers of live animals. Timber cargo. A cargo of timber carried on an uncovered part of freeboard or the superstructure deck. The term does not include wood pulp or similar cargo. The height of the timber deck cargo above the weather deck on the ship within a seasonal winter zone. In winter should not exceed 1/3 of the extreme breadth of the ship. Refrigerated cargo. Any cargo that has to be loaded, maintained, and or carried at a certain temperature in order for it to reach its destination without deterioration is classed as refrigerated cargoes. This includes meat, fish, poultry products, dairy products, drugs, and experimental sample.
Wala akong alam
Pulp
dyan.
and paper products. Pulp is a lignocellulosic fibrous material prepared by chemically or mechanically separating cellulose fibers from wood, fiber crops, waste paper, or rugs. Mixed with water and other chemical or plant-based additives, pulp is the major raw material used in paper making and the industrial production of other paper products.